Good morning, it's me again. A few of your regular viewers would know that I've been trying to get a drone for my channel. So I've been trying a few times now. I bought a Sea Flight Dream, which is a cracking little drone, but the only problem with it, SD cards. It wouldn't record onto them, and then I tried to plug them into the computer, and it would not. It was saying it was corrupt. So I done about 4 USB SD cards, and decided that this ain't good enough. So I looked on the internet, YouTube, as you do, and because I had a budget, because you can appreciate that channel's not big, I can't afford £1,700 for a drone that I might never use, or will use, but it won't get the viewership. Anyway, so I looked again on the internet and found out there was a Bugs 4 out there. So I thought, all the write-ups seemed to be good on it, and I thought, oh, I'll give that a go. So anyway, cut a long story short, I bought one of them, and as I say, it's really throwing good money after bad, really, because it flew very unstable, wandered off, out of control, and I thought, well, now I've done £400 on drones and none of them are any good. So I thought, that's it, I'm not going to mess about anymore, I'll get a DJI drone. Seems to be the best drone out in the market, and obviously I can't buy brand new, like I said, so I thought I'll invest in a good second-hand one. So I spent quite a few weeks, and the weather being so bad, as you can see today, as I say, the weather being so unfavourable, I just had to pause it then because it started raining again. But all the farmers got the machinery indoors, the ground's so wet that it's impossible to film any tractor work at the moment, farm work at the moment. I can understand the farmers, they just don't want to get their machinery out because it causes too much damage. Anyway, back to the drone. Like I say, I went out and thought, I've been looking for a DJI drone now, so it seems to be the best one to buy, and I settled on a Phantom 3. Obviously not the Phantom 4s or the Maverick Pros, 2s or the Zooms, but for my budget, for £350, it's sorted my needs. So I've flown it a few times. It seems to be a good little drone. I want to show it to you now. There you can see. I'd like to fly it today for you, but it's windy and the acorns are falling off the tree onto my car. But there it is. I want to fly it today. I'll try and fly it today for you, see how it goes, but not just at the moment until this weather eases off. So thanks for keeping up with the channel, thanks for subscribing. I've got a little something for 200 subscribers coming up. When I hit 200 subscribers, I've got a giveaway. It's not a t-shirt, because that weren't very popular last time, but it's something else. Yeah, I think it'd be quite good to have, quite funny, and anyway, for me, for the time being, until I fly the drone start, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and books with more acorns, and see you in the future. Cheerio for now. Well, there you go, short flight. Weather's atrocious today, can't get anything really done properly. Just a quick up and down by my lakes. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, really would like it. As you can see, I bought a drone and want to carry on with the channel, and it'd be nice to have you along with my journeys. Okay, thanks for now then, and see you again in the future. Thanks for again.